Welcome children to our maths lecture, and we are solving practice set 50. Question number 1. Lesson number 14. What is the name of the lesson? Algebraic expression, expansion of squares. First two formulas we have studied, a plus b the whole square and a minus b the whole square. Accordingly, we have solved first question. 4 sums I had solved, 4 I gave you as homework. Now practice set 50, same second question we will be doing now, solving. Let us see the question. The question is, which of the options given below in the square is the square of binomial? Means the binomial given is 8 minus 1 upon x the whole square. Now, and they have given you 4 options as answer. So you have to find out which one is the answer. So the same manner we will solve it. Now since minus sign is there, second formula we will be using. So we will write using formula a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. Therefore 8 minus 1 upon x the whole square is equal to, now your a is 8, so 8 square minus 2 into 8 into 1 upon x plus 1 upon x the whole square. Now 8 square gives you answer 64 minus 8 to the 16 and 1 16 upon x plus 1 upon x square, because 1 square is 1 itself. So which option is correct, children? Option number C. C option is correct. Okay, so this is the answer. Very simple. You have to just solve it. So your C option is right. Let us move on for the next sum. The question is, third question, of which of the binomials given below is the m square n square plus 14 mn pq plus 49 p square q square the expansion? Means they have given you the answer, you have to find out the question. So what we will do is, third sum. Here we will find the square root of the terms. So square root of first term. Square root of first term comes as mn, right? It is m square n square, so square root comes to be as mn. Then square root of last term, it comes to be as 49. Now 49 is square of 7. P square means 1p and q square means 1q. So that is 7pq. So therefore required binomial is equal to, now since all the terms are positive, so in between plus sign will appear. So mn plus 7pq is your answer. So the required square binomial is mn plus 7pq. Its expansion is the given question. Okay, so this is the answer, children. Fine. Now let us move on to fourth question. I'll solve fourth question. Total 4 sums are there. I will solve first and the last one. Middle 2 sums you have to do. Okay. Out of 4, first and the last sum I will do. Sum number 4. First one. First let us read the question. The question is, use an expansion formula to find the values of. First one, 997 square. So you have to find out 997 square. To find square means you have to multiply the same number again with itself. But instead of doing that, you have to use the expansion formula and find the answer. Now to use the expansion formula, children, you need it as a binomial, right? Having two terms. So this number you have to first convert into binomial. Now how to convert? 997, after 97, 998, 999 and 1000, right? So 1000 is near to 997. So what you can do is 1000 minus 3 the whole square, because 1000 minus 3 is 997, and by writing this we have converted this number into a binomial. So when you have to find the value of such number, first you have to convert the given number into a binomial. How to go find out? So go to the nearest tens. You have to go to the nearest tens. Suppose 98 square you have to find out the value. So 100 is near to 98. So you have to use 100. 100 minus 2 as 98. Understood? And now you have to use the expansion formula. Now which expansion formula we can use? The second one. Okay? Using formula a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now instead of a and b we will use 1000. 1000 minus 3 the whole square is equal to 1000 square minus 2 into 1000 multiplied by 3 plus 3 square. So this gives me answer as, now 1000 square is very simple, children. How to do? Just listen. The number 1, its square is 1. 1 square is 1. Here 3 zeros are there, double the zeros. Means how many zeros? 6 zeros you have to add. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got the square of 1000. Very simple method. Nothing you have to do. Whichever number is here, there, suppose if here 2 is there, you have to write square of 2. So square of 2 will come as 4. And how many zeros are there? Just double the zeros to get the square. Then minus 2 3s are 6 and 1000, that is 6000. And then plus 3 square is 9. Now this is how much, children? You need tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So this is 10 lakhs. From this 10 lakhs you have to subtract 6000. If you cannot do directly, do the working aside. How to do? 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3 and here 6. Minus, here it will be 0, 0, 0. And then from here 10, 9, 9, this becomes 0. Here it will be 4. This is 0, children. 9, 9. That is 9,94,000 will be his answer, plus 9. To this you have to just add 9. So it becomes answer as 994,009. This is the expansion of 997 square. So very simple, children. You have to get the answer in this manner. So lastly you will write, therefore 997 square is equal to 9,94,009. This is your answer. Simple, understood? So the nearest tens you should approach, and accordingly you should change the given number into a binomial. Okay? So in this way you have to solve the sum. Very simple. Did you take down? Yes. Now I will be doing the fourth sum, and then middle two sum, second and third sum you have to do as homework. So let me do the fourth sum now for you people. The number is, fourth sum is 1005 the whole square. Again, let us transform it into a binomial. Now, 1005, 1000 plus 5 is nearer. So, I will use 1000 plus 5 the whole square. Now, using formula, a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. So this gives me answer 1000 plus 5 the whole square is equal to, now a is 1000, 1000 square plus 2 into 1000 into 5 plus 5 square. Now as I told you, 1000 square will be 1 and then 6 zeros. 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 5 into 2 is 10. 10 into 1 is 10 and then 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 plus 5 square is 25. So this calculation will give me 5 plus 0 plus 0. Addition you can do directly. 5. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 0 plus 0. 2. Then third one. 0 plus 0. 0. 0 plus 0. 0. Then 1 plus 0. 1. And then there is 0 and 1. So your answer is this. Therefore, 1005 square is equal to 1010025. Very simple manner you can solve these sums using the expansion formula. So take down the sum. As I told you, of these 4 sums, second and third sum you have to do. Just I will give you the hint. 102 square, 102 is near to 100. So you have to expand it as 100 plus 2. And third one, 97 square. 97 is also near to 100. You can use as 100 minus 3. 100 minus 3 is 97. Change it into binomial 100 minus 3 square and get the answer. So till your next lecture, find out these 2 answers and keep it with you. Next lecture I will give you the answer. So do the sums, have fun. Thank you.